Um, Is this touchscreen? Okay, yeah. Oh. We like to go day, month, year. What's the max year actually will be? 2030. Man, what is Sony's like? Oh, your camera's only gonna last till 2037. I think it is July the 30th, right? Yeah. Right now it is 14. Oh man. 1454. It's gonna put it 55. Just gotta wait for the. Yep. When shooting from tripod, instead of shooting while holding the device, set auto power off, temp too high. To extend recording time, would you like to set? Okay. Okay, well, the first thing you should always do when you get a new device. God damn, look at all these damn menus. So much. You can have menu settings, okay. Where is it? What? Okay, there it is. So reset. I always like to initialize my camera. If you ever borrowed machines and stuff, you always initialize, you always reset, you always do whatever. Because, yeah, even though you just got it brand new, just do it, I don't care. Screen reader, no, do not connect. Day, month, year, 24 hours, 30th, 7, 12, 14, 14, 56, I'll wait till the 7th. This is going Tesla standard time. Tesla server standard time, so. But yeah, this machine is very, very exciting. Ooh, these, there it is. Set. But these things right here where you put the camera straps, they're very thin. And very, yeah, I don't know, whatever. It's not like it matters. But yeah, we're gonna first turn off the dang setting that will say shooting mode. Okay, let's just go down one by one because there's so many settings actually. So, image quality and recording. We're going to go HEIF. Image quality, raw file type. Wait, what? Not available as raw, HEIF, extra fine. Let's go to record media settings. Recording media, slot 1. Recording media, slot auto switch media off. Image quality. Oh, I guess I can have 2 sets of it. 3:2 aspect ratio. Wait, 4:3. Is that bigger? 21 megapixels? No. When in movie mode, we're gonna go the high. Oh, we're gonna go 4K. SI. I don't know what. We're just gonna keep it at We'll change the movie settings in a bit. 60 frame rate. We actually have to wait for the APS and turn that off. we actually have to wait for not available in each GIF. Shading off. We got to turn off all this stuff. Chromatic aberration. I don't. Okay, I'm gonna just turn it on auto. I don't think it does anything though, because this is this lens. But we need to take off next core media settings. IPTC. Don't know what that is. Copyright. So we get photographer name. Wow. Amazing. So how do I do my uppercase though? No. Man, the only issue I hate about Sony is that everything is like the year like 2000. So everything is like so outdated in terms of like how things function. Like, are we still playing on the Wii? I don't know. Anyway, I'm putting my name in. This is like, you know, these fun things that you do when, you know, behind the scenes that they do. Space. Because it is the interesting part, I'd say. And my name is a long name. So let's see if it fits the entire name actually. Oh man, yeah. Please stop. Okay, I am recording. Okay, cool. Oh, it literally fits exactly my name. With one to spare. Maybe if I can get, I'll try to figure out if I can get the Apple thingy. Okay, set photographer name, Camille, set copyright. God damn it. But yeah, this is like, these are just these things that you do, you know, I don't know, it's kind of exciting. I don't think most people are going to even get this camera anyway. So that's also another reason I got this camera, because it's like one of those things to differentiate yourself in the market. Just because the high price point, most people are like, oh, don't need the body, you know, but like, yeah, I could have bought a different camera at half the price, but it doesn't have global shutter. So immediately, to me, when I was looking at the newer cameras, the only thing that they had compared to the A9iii is that it has video recording. Now, yeah, 240. No one needs 240p for HD. It just looks hideous. Just slow down the camera. And slow down the settings in post edit. And then there's things like, I don't know, like it, memory. Okay, I'll do the memory call later. But yeah, I think. Oh, current load dial drive. Okay, I guess I switched on there. Let's continue. Okay, I'm gonna. Those settings don't really matter for right now. Keep track. Pre-capture settings. How's single shooting? Self timer. I do have the Sony remote. Thankfully, the same Sony remote works actually. We go bracket order. We like to go -0 plus. Focus bracket setting. Exposure, smoothing, shooting interval, shortest.